Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out and about locally and I'm going to be exploring more of the Coventry Way, which is a local national trail around my area. Cool, see you later. Oh, it's so good to be back out. Currently going along the Coventry Way, which is a 40-mile circular route around the perimeter of Coventry. So I'm currently in North Warwickshire part at the moment, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Have a look at this. It's all farmland, but it is stunning. Oh, definitely breezy. Yeah, I think the temperature is just above freezing at the moment. I just love being outdoors. It's great. Cleanses the soul, clears the mind. That's what it's all about. Oh, farmer's out with his shotgun. Hopefully not after me. So I've got some new kit I've got today. I am wearing my new Manson Equipment jacket, which is this bad boy. I'm now wearing gaiters because I'm sick to death of getting soaking trousers and muddy trousers, and Anna is fed up of cleaning them as well for me, bless her. And I have gone back to the 80s with my bum bag. This is all from a camera kit. It's a low alpine. Well, they say it's like a belt bag, but yeah, it's a bum bag, but I have it on the front, or a fanny pack, depends where you come from, I suppose, what you call it. But yeah, it's just really handy with all my camera bits and bobs, spare batteries, and all the ancillaries that you get with your camera stuff. And I don't even know I'm wearing it really, I don't notice any different, so it's quite nice. Yeah, what a brilliant day so far. It's overcast a little bit now, but it's been lovely. Kettle on. Yes. Nearly. So, top tips for jet boils. With my gas cans, what I do, because I don't like the rusty ring that you get in the bottom of the pan when you get it wet. You can leave a bit of rust in the bottom. So what I do, I just use an old sock, cut the top off of it, and then just use the base of it to put the can in, and it also stops it rattling around as well. And if you need to clean your cup afterwards, you can use it as a bit of a wipe as well. Oh, she's bubbling. So I also carry with me this is my food bag, like these little disposable alcohol-free bacterial wipes as well, especially with all the COVID going around. That's why I find it always handy to wipe down your utensils and wash your hands with, or wipe your hands with. Beautiful. Oh, let's have a cup of tea. Got a sport with me as well to stir me brew. I'm normally a Yorkshire tea drinker, but it's just I had these to hand, so I brought out Thai food with me today. But it doesn't really matter, I just want a hot brew. Now I'm playing fish the tea bag. Right, sweet. Oh. Tea bag, quick stir. Special gift gifted to me from Anna, my wife. Help for Heroes mug. Lovely, perfect for camping. Oh, that is the spot. Wow. Perfect. Cheers. Happy Christmas. The old lug holes are getting a bit drafty. Let's get amongst these biscuits. Hands are freezing, but oh, smell good. Yes, they don't fall in your tea. Brilliant. Oh yeah. Chef's kisses to this. Oh, amazing. It's just nice to sit here and just take it all in. Sun's come out. Farmer's out with his shotgun again. Yeah, it's beautiful. Just biscuit went down the wrong hole. It's just nice to come out and just be still and just sitting quiet and just nature around you. It's amazing. I'm just going to sit here and chill for a bit. No rush. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I hope you stay safe. And this, for a change, is cognac instead of Kraken. But all have a Merry Christmas. Take care. Cheers. Oh, wow.